दक्षिण भारत के शहर हैदराबाद में महाकुंभ को लेकर चर्चा की गई है। वहां के लोगों ने क्या कुछ कहा, आपको सुनाते हैं।
महाकुंभ भारत की पावन भूमि पर प्रयागराज में इस समय 144 साल बाद आयोजित हो रहा है और जिसकी गूंज न सिर्फ भारत बल्कि विदेशों तक है। आइए जानते हैं, इस समय हैदराबाद में मौजूद मेरे साथ। सर, आपका नाम?
मैं एम BS जोशी, हैदराबाद वासी हूँ। तो ये कुंभ के बारे में हम बहुत जानते हैं, वो TV वगैरह के जरिए से। और ये 144 साल के बाद यहाँ हो रहा है। वी आर very much happy it's happening there. So we also wanted to go, but we went little bit earlier. But we could not do this Snan there.
Okay.
But now also we want to go, but because the bead is very much, the crowd is too much, and we are aged. So that is why we could not go. But anyway, I want to go there anytime. So
हिंदुओं के लिए बहुत बड़ा त्योहार है, सनातन को इससे जोड़ा जा रहा है और कहीं ना कहीं ये बहुत बड़ा एक मैसेज दुनिया भर में जा रहा है। उसके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे?
ये तो होना ही था, मतलब अपना ये हिंदुओं के लिए और उनका जो ये जगाने के लिए ये होना ही था। तो ये अपना कुंभ मेल से जो लोग आते हैं उनका वो जो जीवन पावन हो जाएगा। तो इसलिए वो उसी एक मकसद से सब बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं कुंभ में।
यूपी सरकार के जो इंतजाम, जो वहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट जिस तरह से चल रहा है, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
हमने सुना है कि योगी आदित्यनाथ जी इसका इंतजाम बहुत अच्छा किया है। तो कोई कंप्लेंट का, कोई शिकायत का कोई ये नहीं है। तो वी आर वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम, बिकॉज ये कुंभ इतना दिस मैग्नीट्यूड, it is not easy to handle. So there are actually some 44 crores of people are coming. This 44 crores is almost equivalent to the entire European population, Europe खंड का। तो इसलिए we are very grateful to Yogi Adityanath and his vibrant team. So very nice.
Thank you so much, sir. So you are from Hyderabad?
Yes, basically from South India.
Okay. I'm sure you must be aware about Mahakumbh that is happening in Prayagraj.
Yes. So, Kumbh has its historical significance. It goes all the way back to Samudra Manthan, when Vishnu Avatar actually gives the and there are various versions to it. The son of Indra, Giant, actually want to protect the muscles while he was carrying it out. Amrit for the nectar and 4 cases joining us like Haridwar and Prayagraj. And the term itself, Kumbh, happens in multiple stages of the day. Kumbh Mela is once in 3 years, Alta Kumbh once in 6 years, Purna Kumbh once in 12 years. And the Mahakumbh actually is coming for 144 years. I think this is a great event which is happening at the time where we are on life. So it's and I think I also would like to appreciate the government of India and the Uttar Pradesh government for doing the due diligence in all aspects to accommodate this event which is happening on our land. It's very significant for what we believe in Hindus. So that's basically due to our commitments. I would say we weren't able to go there, but I really miss it because we have Kumbhs and Purna Kumbhs coming up. So hopefully we'll be able to make it.
Thank you. That's quite insightful and wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Kiran. I'm from Hyderabad.
And tell me about Mahakumbh.
Mahakumbh is something what is beyond my vision, beyond my imagination and ability to understand. I feel what's happening in India right now is out of this world. It is like amazing. The sheer magnanimity of it is like, giving me goosebumps. So we touched Prayagraj just before Mahakumbh started. So we were seeing all the tents which were being put up and the entire setup and the place to go to the Triveni Sangam. We did go there, but we had a few senior citizens with us, very small kids with us, so we didn't want to venture into it when we were when it's the high time of Kumbh. We just went before that, so we kind of had a very little bit of taste of the entire thing, what's happening there. I think the entire management, the entire the way they are handling the crowd, and I believe everything is digitalized. That is something which is beyond anybody's vision, I feel. I think kudos to Yogi Adityanath ji's government and also Modi ji's vision. This would have been impossible if it did not have a vision of this level.
It's wonderful, Kiran. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you.
So, what's your name?
Gopal Reddy.
Okay. Have you heard about Mahakumbh?
Yeah, no, pretty well. Yeah. Kumbh Mela is doing very well. Yogi Adityanath, CM of Uttar Pradesh, is doing very nice. We are watching every day in TVs and from news channels and everywhere. We are very much interested, but my wife health is not permitting. She underwent knee operation, giant knee operation. So we are unable to go there. Actually, we are very much interested. After 144 years, it is coming. But our senior neighbor, senior citizen friend also went there and came back, given some prasadam and Ganga water also. I am very happy. As an Hindu, I am appreciating the Uttar Pradesh government, and such an arrangements are made there. Every day we are watching and we are very much interesting, but we are unable to go there.